by skunk. It is disgusting.
Yep, me too. But it's overcast. Let's watch the GNN news.
The National Weather Service in Oxford, Ohio tornado warning for Western Rondo in Oxford, Ohio until 6 o'clock a.m. time. At weather has detected a thunderstorm. They're about 9 miles western of farm. Take cover now. Homes, vehicle, and others. Windows to a bird. Please call National Weather 8,063,351,121.
Oh no, we better go to the basement. Okay, we are in the basement. We will take cover. Yay! The tornado warning has been expired. We are saved.
So guys, thanks for watching our tornado warning. Goodbye.